Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to turn on screen recording on iPhone 17. First scroll down from the top right corner and you see at the top left you see the plus icon. Click on that, click on add a control option and scroll down till you see display and brightness section. In that section you see screen recording option. Click on that and now go back. When you again swipe down, the screen recording option will be present and you just simply click on it and it will start recording your screen. Once you're done recording, you can cancel the recording and the recording will be saved to your photos and videos. Hope you found this useful. Thank you. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips like this.